Right, the big political story we're tracking this Saturday. Warring factions of the Samajwadi Party have gotten into a huddle after the expulsion of UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav and his uncle Ram Gopal Yadav from the Samajwadi Party. These are live visuals that we're getting you from Lucknow. The pictures from outside Akhilesh Yadav's residence, his cavalcade driving in. We're being told that several of his supporters have gathered outside his residence. Ram Gopal Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav are expected to meet MLAs this morning. There are two separate meetings that have been organized by both factions. Akhilesh and Ram Gopal Yadav will be meeting MLAs on one hand, and the other side Mulayam will be holding a meeting of the parliamentary board. We're also being told that the MLAs will be meeting Mulayam Singh after finishing the meeting with Akhilesh. Now, there are several people who will be attending both these meetings as they've been invited or they've been named by both factions in their list that was announced by Akhilesh yesterday and by Mulayam on Wednesday evening. There were fireworks in Lucknow last evening after Mulayam Singh Yadav announced his decision to expel Akhilesh Yadav and Ram Gopal Yadav from the Samajwadi Party. This after Akhilesh announced his own list of candidates for the upcoming UP elections. Mulayam had announced a list for the Samajwadi Party on Wednesday, where sources say that Akhilesh's supporters had been majorly sidelined and preference had been given to Shivpal Yadav's supporters on nominees rather. In fact, 8 people who had been sacked by Akhilesh Yadav had also been given tickets by Mulayam. This obviously miffed the Chief Minister, and he announced his own list yesterday. We're being told that several of Mulayam's advisors are now asking him to take back the expulsion, but political analysts say that seems unlikely since the battle is actually out in the open now. There's a heavy security deployment across Uttar Pradesh today. There were protests that were held through the night by supporters of Akhilesh Yadav who burnt Shivpal Yadav's effigies and raised slogans against Amar Singh. We have our team of political reporters tracking this big story with us. We have Shivpujan Jha, who's with us live from Lucknow. Also with us, our deputy editor Brijesh Pandey, who's with us live from the national capital. Shivpujan Jha, over to you first. Take us through what's happening on the ground. There are 2 crucial meetings that are lined up in Lucknow.
Yes, 2 very crucial meetings, but before I talk about the meetings, I'd like you to have a glimpse at the visuals. I'm standing right in front of the residence of Mulayam Singh Yadav. Till yesterday, there was a beeline of people, most of them being ticket seekers and the people who are believed to be close to Mulayam Singh Yadav, chanting slogans in support of Mulayam Singh Yadav. Today, this place is bearing a deserted look. Those supporters have been replaced by security personnel altogether. Possibly, the fear is rife that the supporters of Akhilesh may come here and may indulge in some kind of vandalism. That is the reason why this kind of precaution has been taken place. The million-dollar question that remains is that, is it a tit-for-tat politics? Is Mulayam Singh Yadav being paid back in the same coin? He has often been accused of backstabbing his own promoters, the people on whose shoulders he climbed up the ladder in politics. That exactly being the situation. Now we are getting this piece of information. Brajesh would be giving us more details on that most of the people who earlier were supporting Mulayam Singh Yadav, they prefer to go to the camp of Akhilesh Yadav. We are also getting this piece of information that at the party headquarters of the Samajwadi Party, very few MLAs and very few people who have been provided tickets, they have actually managed to come. Remember, these 2 are going to be very crucial meetings and they are bound to turn into some kind of show of strength. So everyone is keeping their fingers crossed to understand who will exactly rule the roost in Samajwadi Party.
All right, Shivpujan Jha, stay on with us. We're also being joined by Brijesh Pandey, as you pointed out, who's standing outside Akhilesh Yadav's residence. Brijesh, take us through what's happening there. Are there lots of supporters who've gathered outside the Chief Minister's residence?
Well, I'll ask my camera person to pan the camera a bit and show that, that since 8:30 in the morning, a horde of supporters of Akhilesh Yadav armed with placards are stationed outside 5 Kalidas Marg, and they are shouting slogans in favor of Akhilesh Yadav. A list of 174 MLAs and non-MLAs, people who might be given tickets from Akhilesh Yadav, they have been, the list has been given, and what we have been told is that around 30% of those people have already reached 5 Kalidas Marg. Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has reached 5 Kalidas Marg 5 minutes before, and it will be extremely interesting to know, Simi, that how many those MLAs who turn up, because what is interesting is the fact that 187 candidates are common in both lists. So it will be extremely crucial to see that in show of strength, how many MLAs actually go ahead with Akhilesh Yadav and how many go ahead and side with Mulayam Singh Yadav, because the fight is not over the list or as to who gives the list. The fight is of supremacy as to which camp makes sure that it is supremacy, its list rules the roost rather than the other person or the other camp. So it will be extremely interesting to know in another half an hour as to how many of those 174 MLA as well as candidates actually turn up at 5 Kalidas Marg, and after that how many of them go to Samajwadi Party, where a meeting has been called by Party Supremo Mulayam Singh Yadav at 11. So this is the one key question, and I think around 11:30, 12, we'll be in some sort of a position to say that, which camp has kind of won today or has succeeded in this show of strength, which is happening right outside 5 Kalidas Marg as we speak. Simi?
Right, and Brijesh, can you also get us some reactions from people who've gathered outside Akhilesh Yadav's residence? There are a lot of people who believe that since Mulayam Singh was actually the founder of the party, he should be given priority. But the people who are standing there outside the Chief Minister's residence clearly believe that Akhilesh is the future.
I'll just ask them, आप लोग यहाँ किस लिए आए हैं?
ये हमारे मुख्यमंत्री के साथ बहुत अन्याय हुआ है और पार्टी से निकालना नहीं चाहिए था नेताजी को भगवान सद्बुद्धि दें कि पुनः नेताजी को निष्कासन वापस लें। चूंकि मुख्यमंत्री जी ने बहुत विकास किया, 5 साल लगातार विकास किया, और विकास नेताजी कहते हैं कि समाजवादी सरकार अखिलेश यादव ने विकास किया, तो आज किस कंडीशन पे पार्टी से निकाल दिया गया है?
आप नेताजी जिन्होंने समाजवादी पार्टी का जन्म किया, उसको इस स्थिति पहुंचाया, आपको कहना है कि क्या वो गुमराह किए जा रहे हैं इस वक्त?
गुमराह बिल्कुल किए जा रहे हैं, गुमराह किए जा रहे हैं। और ये जो अभी मनोनीत हुए हैं राज्यसभा सांसद, उनके द्वारा गुमराह हो रहे हैं।
आपको क्या लगता है कि आज यदि आपको अखिलेश यादव या मुलायम सिंह यादव में से किसी एक से चुनना पड़ा तो आप किसे चुनेंगे?
अखिलेश यादव को चुनेंगे। अखिलेश यादव जननायक।
आप मुलायम सिंह यादव का साथ छोड़ देंगे?
बिल्कुल छोड़ देंगे। अरे अखिलेश यादव जननायक हैं, ये जयप्रकाश नारायण के बाद वो भविष्य हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश ही नहीं, देश के नेता उनको मानते हैं, देश की सारी पार्टियां उनको मानती हैं। कभी उनके ऊपर कमेंट नहीं आया, चाहे ममता बनर्जी हो, चाहे शरद यादव हो, चाहे एन चंद्रबाबू नायडू हो, चाहे नीतीश कुमार हो, सारे के सारे लोग इनको।
तो आपको कौन लग रहा है, कौन वर्गला रहा है नेताजी को?
ये सांसद
वर्गला रहा है।
इसके बारे में तो हम कुछ अखिलेश के नुमाई हैं।
शिवपाल वर्गला रहे हैं, अमर सिंह वर्गला रहे हैं।
और यदि अमर सिंह हट जाते हैं क्वेश्चन से तो फिर आपको मंजूर है?
नहीं, शिवपाल को अमर सिंह को बर्खास्त करें।
कुछ बाहरी लोग हैं। As you can see, Simi, it's very clear that most of the people who have assembled outside 5 Kalidas Marg, they are very clear that that the future of Samajwadi Party is Akhilesh Yadav and not Shivpal, and it's very clear that Netaji, which is Mulayam Singh Yadav, has been led. The expulsion of Akhilesh Yadav should be revoked, and expulsion of Akhilesh Yadav should be revoked, and it is Amar Singh and Shivpal Yadav who should be removed from the party. Simi?
Right, and Brijesh, can you also tell us a little bit about meetings that are underway with other party representatives? We're being told that Akhilesh Yadav is also in touch with Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi.
Well, one meeting is right now going in 5 Kalidas Marg, and MLAs have started trickling in. There is a very clear-cut, defined mood. Now there are several MLAs who are not very openly saying that they will not go to Mulayam Singh Yadav, meeting called by Mulayam Singh Yadav, but they are saying they are very guarded, but they are also indicating, there's enough indication on the ground that given a choice, when it push comes to shove and give a choice as to take a clear side, then they will not hesitate. Yadav, as this was just being said by the supporters, they are saying that, you know, he is the future. He is the one who has carried the Samajwadi Party outside being a caste party to a wider political spectrum, and they say that the future is with Samajwadi Party. I also spoke to Sunil Sajan, who is an MLC and considered close to Akhilesh Yadav, and Anand Bhadoria, who is also considered close to Akhilesh Yadav. They said that, you know, anybody who comes to this particular meeting has no reason to go to the meeting which has been called by Mulayam Singh Yadav. So it will be extremely interesting to see if Kalidas Mark actually go to Samajwadi Party headquarters to attend the meeting which has been called by Mulayam Singh, because 187 now is the number of people who are common in both the lists. So it will be extremely interesting to see how many out of those 186 people actually attend both meetings and not just remain sided with Akhilesh Yadav. Simi?
A dramatic announcement. Let's cross live to India Today's Padmita Joshi now, who's reporting from outside the SP headquarters in Lucknow.
Well, thanks very much, Simi. In fact, the entire India Today group has fanned out across the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It is a high-voltage drama that is playing out in the city today. Just moments ago, you had Shivpal Yadav, who entered the Samajwadi Party headquarters over here, and a huge posse of policemen you can see outside, because now you have a steady stream of supporters of Mulayam Singh Yadav and Shivpal Yadav who are making a beeline for the party headquarters. In fact, this entire road, Vikramaditya Marg, has been barricaded at both ends to stop a steady procession of these people. Remember the scenes from yesterday when there was sloganeering right outside the Samajwadi Party office once that announcement had been made in a hurriedly convened press conference. Let me go across to, India Today's Ashok Singhal, who in fact has been speaking to his sources in both the camps. Ashok जी, अभी पहले यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने देखा कि जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं वो कालिदास मार्ग पे अपने रेसिडेंस पे गए. हेडक्वार्टर्स में अभी क्या हो रहा है? थोड़ी देर पहले ही शिवपाल यादव आए.
देखिए, यहाँ पे पदमजा जो विधायक जिनको टिकट दिया गया है उन सबको बुलाया गया है. स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रेंथ है बेसिकली कि कौन किसके असली पार्टी समाजवादी कौन है, किसके पास ज़्यादा लोग हैं, ज़्यादा एमएलए किसके पास हैं, और जो कैंडिडेट हैं किसके पास ज़्यादा आते हैं, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत से कॉमन कैंडिडेट हैं, चाहे वो अखिलेश की लिस्ट है, चाहे मुलायम सिंह की या शिवपाल की लिस्ट है. तो बेसिक बात यह है कि लोगों से मिलेंगे, मूड जानेंगे कि भाई किसके साथ वो लोग जाना चाहते हैं. अखिलेश के निकालने के बाद जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, तो स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रेंथ ये लोग दिखाने की कोशिश.
उन लोगों का क्या होगा जो कि कॉमन है दोनों ही लिस्ट?
मेरी कुछ लोगों से बात हुई, जैसे मैं अभी एक छाता का कैंडिडेट मुझको मिला, उनका ये कहना था कि वो दोनों तरफ से उनको टिकट मिला है, लेकिन वो अखिलेश के साथ जाना चाहेंगे. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक व्यू मिलता है कि अखिलेश के साथ लोग ज़्यादा. और एक खास बात हो रहा है पदमजा, मैंने दुकानों पे लोगों से बात की जो फोटो बैनर पोस्टर बेचते हैं समाजवादी पार्टी के बाहर, उनका कहना है कि अखिलेश के फोटो ज़्यादा बिकने शुरू हो गए हैं, क्योंकि डायनेमिक लीडर है, यंग है, समाजवादी पार्टी की जो कल्चर है वो थोड़ा अलग है, हट के दिखाता है. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक लोगों का नजरिया बना है, चाहे पार्टी से निकाल दिया है, लेकिन लोगों का लगता है कि अखिलेश के साथ ठीक नहीं हुआ. एक मैसेज ये जा रहा है.
In fact, what is also interesting that even as Shivpal Yadav was inside the party headquarters, there were people outside who were sloganeering in Akhilesh's support. They were raising slogans against those who have expelled him from the party, and they said that this is the decimation of the party. It is going to dent the poll prospects of the Samajwadi Party. This is definitely not something that the cadre would have wanted practically on the eve of the elections. Now, what a very critical thing is going to be, what happens if both of these factions individually get into the poll fray? क्योंकि चुनाव चिन्ह किसके पास जाएगा? टेक्निकली मुलायम सिंह यादव पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट हैं, चुनाव चिन्ह उनके पास ही होगा. अगर अखिलेश यादव अलग पार्टी बना करके चुनाव लड़ते हैं तो किस चुनाव चिन्ह पर लड़ेंगे? उनका पार्टी सिंबल क्या होगा और कैसे वो डिसाइड होगा?
देखना पड़ेगा कि चीजें कैसे जा रही हैं, कि नया सिंबल उनको मिलेगा या दोनों में से किसी को सिंबल नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि
फ्रीज भी हो सकता है.
फ्रीज भी हो सकता है. तो ये सिचुएशन डिपेंड करेगी कैसे चीजें जा रही हैं, कौन ज्यादा एमएलए किसके. डिवीजन हो चुका है
और यहीं पे राजभवन और इलेक्शन कमीशन की जो रोल जो है बहुत क्रिटिकल
होगा, इलेक्शन कमीशन और गवर्नर का. और दोनों का ये कहना है कि नजर रखे हुए हैं जो भी समाजवादी पार्टी में डेवलपमेंट चलेगा. आज का दिन बहुत क्रूशियल होगा, आगे लगातार ये चलने वाला है पदमजा. और अखिलेश यादव समाजवादी पार्टी के दफ्तर के सामने से गुजर के गए हैं. और सबसे बड़ी खास इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है पदमजा, कल काफी लोग जो निकाला गया था अखिलेश यादव को, नारे अखिलेश यादव के समर्थक सड़कों पे दिखाई दे रहे थे, बाकी किसी का नहीं दिखाई दे. और आज समाजवादी पार्टी कि अंदर मीटिंग शुरू होने वाली है, शिवपाल यादव अंदर पहुंच चुके हैं, दूसरे नेता पहुंच चुके हैं, मुलायम सिंह का इंतजार किया जा रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ज्यादा सपोर्टर्स शिवपाल यादव या मुलायम सिंह के दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं, इक्का दुक्का लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं। उनका भी ये कहना है कि हम नेताजी और अखिलेश के साथ हैं, लेकिन अगर उनसे पूछा जाए आप किसके साथ हैं तो उनका कहना है अखिलेश को चुनेंगे हम लोग। तो एक इंटरेस्टिंग है कि आप देखते हैं पुलिस के अलावा, सुरक्षा बलों के अलावा यहाँ पे ज्यादा समर्थकों की भीड़ नहीं है, जबकि अखिलेश के घर के बाहर देखा तो इससे ज्यादा वहाँ पे लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
Absolutely. So if one were to just do a snap poll over here of the public mood, it seems that right now the party cadre seems to have laid their bets on Akhilesh as the winning horse. But could there be a reconciliation? Not too many people are betting on that. But India Today's team is going to keep you updated for now.
Much for that ground report.